Ooh, that sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion, all that good emotion, just my kind of heat.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is the NR200P MAX. This case was announced way back sometime around January or February, I think during CES. And now I have received a sample review unit from Cooler Master, and I'll be doing a case swap of my personal PC, which is housed in this NR200P. I'm just going to go through a bit of my daily driver setup, which has gone through a couple of upgrades, and I've also done a few mods to it. And this is what it has become today. I did a few upgrades on this PC over the course of the last 1 year. Now it is sporting an AMD Ryzen 5900X, which is a 12-core CPU, and the cooler is now the CM MA624 Master Air, if I am not mistaken. RAM SSD has been the same, and the GPU is now the RTX 3070 by Zotac. This is the non-LHR one, which I gotten during launch time, which was way back, right? And I also did a couple of mods. I believe the most infamous one was the LCD screen, and you also can check out the video. I did a video on that. And I did mention that I'm using a Cooler Master MA624 cooler on this PC here, but it would not fit with the tempered glass. So what I did was I 3D printed in tempered glass extension, and that is where you can see a little bit of protruding of the tempered glass from the side of the panel. So now the cooler sits nicely, perfectly without touching the glass. Oh, I also 3D printed a slightly taller feet. It's slightly lifted up to get more fresh air bottom. So without further ado, I'll be swapping the entire system to the NR200P MAX, which is actually quite heavy, the box. This case is pretty much plug and play and everything pre-installed. So I believe all I need to do is just to move the motherboard and the GPU over. I will probably move the screen mod over together as well, depending if I can fit it in. I have not seen the case yet. This case has pretty much everything pre-installed. I believe it comes with a SFX V850 power supply, a 280 AIO, and also a PCIe 4 riser cable. So let's dismantle this and build it into this. There you go. My personal daily driver machine has been fully swapped into the NR200P Max here. Basically, the outlook is exactly the same. Dimension is exactly the same as well. And obviously the main changes you're gonna see is the color. It is now not black anymore. It is kind of like a grayish, a warm kind of gray. And of course the GPU is only can be installed in the vertical orientation, and of course it comes with the PCIe Gen 4 riser cable. So the only thing that I didn't really transfer over is of course the LCD screen, because if I were to install it back to the original position on the PSU shroud, the Zotac GPU will be partially blocking the screen, and I won't be fully be able to see the stuff on the screen anyway, right? So yeah, it's unfortunate that I cannot use the screen. I kind of missed it already, but it is what it is. Now it is kind of upgraded to a 280 AIO. I expect it, the 5900X here, to perform better compared to on the MA614A cooler, which is actually still pretty good for an air cooler. So that is all for today in this video. So anything else that you want to know, do comment down below. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye bye.